hill and see. Hi, so here we are in North Berwick campsite at Tantallon. It is right down at the sea and it's so beautiful just now. There's a big storm at something like 50-mile-an-hour winds, and we're here in the motorhome. We've just arrived, and let me show you Nathan here, who's just set up his laptop for his camping. Say hello, Nathan.
Hello, I'm just doing some camping here.
What have you got set up?
I got a laptop set up and a mouse.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Cool
and what are you going to do on your laptop?
I'm going to play some games and watch YouTube.
Oh, fantastic.
And then
you look really comfy there. It's like a gaming chair.
Yeah, it is a gaming chair.
Wow. Okay, and here's the view. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try zooming in. I think this is the windiest it gets. So that's down at the Firth of Forth, which is just at the entrance to the North Sea. And there's this massive motorhome right in front of us, certainly for the UK, the size of this. And I don't know what it has in it, but it has like 2 air conditioning units on the top. The back and the sides extend, and it's also sat on feet, which is really good because it's helping shelter us from the wind. And there's also a mix of some caravans arriving and motorhomes in here. So yeah, it's really beautiful. How many nights are we here for, Nathan?
4.
4 nights. Fantastic. I think the weather's going to get better as well. It's a bit stormy tonight. Tonight, should we go out in the stormy weather?
Yes.
We can maybe take the GoPro in the rain. That'd be good fun.
Okay.
So here we are at North Berwick, the East Beach, and the wind's starting to calm down a bit. We're just coming back up from the campsite. What's it feel like, Nathan?
Cold and windy.
Wow, it's amazing.
How do you open it?
I'll help you. And here we are down at the North Berwick East Beach. It's so beautiful. Nathan and Kira walking patch. The tide's out just now. This is the North Sea, or Firth of Forth entrance to the North Sea. The tide's out. Waves are pretty big. There were 55-mile-an-hour winds, but they've settled down. That island there is Craigleith, and just to the left, you can see the distance, that's the Lamb, and beyond that is the North Berwick Seaport Centre. So yeah, we're just starting to head back up.
In the camp for the storm, take time to rest. And as the winds come, step outside and have fun. Dance like when we were children. As the rain comes, oh, look to the sky, a mouth so wide, dream the water of the storm, we feel its energy now, keeps our hearts warm. Do these songs take my hand, we'll safe and warm. To any weather, the children of the storms together, we dance, we laugh, we smile and sing. We dance, we laugh, we smile and sing. or step outside into nature's garden. I feel the sunshine on the backs of my eyelids as I look to the sky. The birds fly, the trees dance into these songs. Save the world. Take my hand, your heart will understand. Do any weather. We are children of the storm. Together as we dance, we laugh, we smile and sing. We dance, we laugh, we smile and sing. Take my hand into these storms, we'll save them all. To any weather, we're children of the storm. Together as we dance, we laugh, we smile and sing. We dance, we laugh, we smile and sing.